Hey everyone, I hope you had a good weekend, and I also hope you remember to wash your hands frequently. I know you guys are excited about being out of school for the next 4 weeks, but 3 of those weeks are still instructional days. So you need to make sure you are checking Google Classroom every day. If you have any questions or concerns, please communicate them with me either through Google Classroom or Remind 101 or by email. I'll be checking all 3 of them regularly. I will definitely be checking them through regular school hours, Monday through Friday. Today's assignment is just about establishing our new procedures and getting you used to the remote learning you're going to be doing for the next few weeks over Google Classroom. So as you can see, I have today's assignment pulled up. I haven't posted it to Google Classroom just yet because I'm recording this on Sunday, but you will see it first thing Monday morning. Every day you're going to have a daily attendance question. You will just post your answer in the comments. Some days I might ask you to explain your answer. Some days you don't have to. Today's question is, do you prefer dogs or cats? I prefer dogs, and I'm going to go ahead and apologize because you are probably going to hear mine when I make these videos. One of them is currently whining at me because I'm not giving her attention. The other thing you're going to do today is you're going to do a quick write on a topic, and you're going to upload that assignment to Google Classroom. You're going to create it in Google Docs. Now, I'm going to attach the assignment via a Google Doc to this post. It'll look like this. The first thing you're going to need to do when you open this document is to make a copy of your own so that you can write in it. And you'll do that by going to File and choosing Make a Copy. Now, this is your writing assignment for today. You see I've titled it COVID-19 Check-In Quick Write because that's what we're going to do. We're going to write about how you feel about COVID-19, the current coronavirus in circulation, and I'm checking in with you. So, after you make your copy of the document, you're going to write an 8 to 10 sentence paragraph. You'll just hit enter a couple of times and start typing down here. All right, so you're going to be reflecting on how you feel about COVID-19, social distancing, and remote learning from home. Social distancing is what we're doing right now with school being canceled and a lot of the area events shutting down. It's where we self-quarantine ourselves at home so we can slow down the spread of the virus. How do you feel about it? Do you think it's the right thing to do? Do you think it's ridiculous? So forth. Remote learning is about receiving instruction online and basically going to online school for the next 4 weeks. Feel free to be as honest and open as you want in the paragraph. I am going to be the only one reading it. Writing can be a good way to express what you're feeling, especially if you're one of the people that's feeling very anxious about what's going on. You can write about that. If you aren't worried, you can write about that. If you're in between, like I am, write about that. Let's see. You can talk about in your paragraph. Are you worried you won't be able to complete your assignments because you have to watch younger siblings? Maybe you don't have reliable access to the internet, whichever it may be. Telling me that kind of thing is also going to help me plan our instruction for the upcoming weeks. You can talk about what you're doing to stay entertained since a lot of things are closing down. One of the things I am doing besides watching Netflix and Hulu and anything else is reading books because obviously I like to read. But one thing I do like to do is work on puzzles by listening to an audiobook. So I went to Walmart last night and bought half a dozen puzzles. These are all things you can write about in today's quick write. When you are finished with the quick write, you will submit it to Google Classroom. Now, you will see an assignment posted on Google Classroom. You'll click on it, and there will be a place where you can upload your assignment from Google Drive. If you can't figure it out, simply Google how to upload a Google Classroom. You can play this quick video, and it'll show you. It's very easy. It's self-explanatory. If you watch it and you still can't figure it out, you can share your document with me. You'll just click on the blue share button. You will start typing in my name, CDH, and my name will pop up right there, usually about the second one. And you can send it to me and I can upload it to Google Classroom for you. That is all we are doing today. I think for you guys, what we are going to go ahead and do is we're going to continue, or I should say we're going to begin our study of Antigone. I have a PDF file of the play that I can post online So make sure you check back on Tuesday, what's going to be tomorrow for you guys, to see what the assignment is. If you have questions, make sure you're communicating those with me. I can't help you if you don't let me know what's going on. All right, I will see you guys later. And don't make fun of my videos because this took me about 12 tries to make.